Welcome back, friends, to Build a Lot Acres. My name's Case, and today's episode is going to be dedicated to all the mothers out there on this Mother's Day. Stay tuned.
One small town New England family living out their adventures, one day at a time, sharing for the whole world to see. This is Build a Lot Acres. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video.
Alright, so you're probably wondering why we have a purple hand truck or dolly in front of us. Well, I'm going to explain why. So I made this cart a few years ago, and I actually did a kind of half-joking video. And my mother, who was always very supportive of me and my endeavors, my ideas, commented and said, "Hey, you should start a channel, that's really good." So I'm going to show you that video right now. Oh, hello friends. Here at Casey Products, we're going to try out the new Super Dolly. We'll try it out on this 23-inch red oak.
Uncle Ben sent you an image.
Always make sure to install your safety chain. Let's give it a whirl, friends. Looks like a success to me. So she was genuinely a great person. She was an awesome mother, and she ended up passing away from brain cancer about a year ago. It was actually June of last year. So I miss her every day. I think about her multiple times a day. And I'm doing this video in honor of her and all the mothers out there. And the reason I painted it lavender is to honor all cancers. Now, I could have painted it gray to honor just brain cancer, but I thought it'd be more appropriate to paint it lavender and cover all different cancers because they affect so many families and so many lives out there. It's a terrible thing, and I did it in honor of all of those people. So let me show you the cart and some of its different features, because this is a custom cart that you're not going to see anywhere else. So some of the things I incorporated into the cart are a really big foot plate, so you can move very large items around. And I also incorporated big 16 by 6.5 by 8 tires with a wide footprint, so it's very stable while rolling things around on hills, or even if you have to go over rocks, roots, stairs, etc. Some items, though, are too big even for this footprint, which is why I made my first attachment. So I designed the cart mainly for use in my wood yard. Firewood's going to be the main use, so most of my accessories are going to be geared towards that. But I also made it so you can easily take it apart. And that's A, to be able to put different attachments on and off, and B, it's easier to transport. Say you had a minivan or a car and you couldn't fit it in there. This way you can transport it in just about any vehicle. So let's look at the first attachment. Alright, so the first attachment is going to be to move these really big rounds around. Even with a big footprint, sometimes they want to tip off. Like this 26.5-inch piece of ash. The next use is going to be for bucking logs and getting them off the ground to keep your saw nice and sharp.
Alright, so the last use is going to be transporting split wood. We have a front piece here and a stabilizer so that you can stack your wood and transport it without an issue.
So thanks for watching, friends. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. And like we said, this is dedicated to all the mothers out there. So give your mom a call, go give her a hug, go see her, and enjoy the day. And to all the mothers up there, happy Mother's Day as well. Have a good one.